Importance of physical fitness and wellness. In a previous heading, we had came to know the meaning of physical fitness and why it is important, meaning of wellness, and why wellness is very important for our day-to-day work. Meaning of wellness. Wellness is defined as an optimal function of body and creative adapting environment person that involve the whole person. A quality of state of being healthy is called wellness. A quality of being healthy is called wellness. In the recent years, the concept of wellness, staying healthy, and achieving the highest potential for a well being has become very popular. In India, some corporations have developed a wellness program. These corporations are willing to invest in these programs, but they have found that these result is increased employees productivity, decreased stress, better employee health, and lower insurance cost. Importance of physical fitness and wellness. Why there is importance of to be a physically fit and remain well. Physical fitness and wellness are really significant for leading a happy and well balanced life. These are necessary for reducing the risk of heart and lungs disease. Heart and lungs disease. Physically fit individuals tends to have lower resting blood pressure. Everyone wants to maintain one physical fitness to perform the routine work easily. That's why it is said that physical fitness adds years to one's life. Many people are under the impression that physical fitness is necessary only for sports person because they participate in various sports activity. Many people think that is it is very important for games teacher. It is important for them also. Physical fitness changes our lifestyle or a way of life. Doctors indicate that physical fitness maintain muscular tissue, decrease the risk of injury, and reduce lower back pain. What it reduce lower back pain if we are physically fit. By being physically fit, we may remain active. What we can do? We will remain active and healthy. Meaning of lifestyle. Lifestyle is a manner of living that reflects the person's value and attitude. The person's values and attitude or habits. According to American Heritage Dictionary, a way of life or a style of living that reflects the attitude and values of a person or a group is called lifestyle. Lifestyle is a set of attitudes, habits, and possessions associated with a particular person or a group. Lifestyle is a way person lead his or her life every day. What habits and what attitudes is our lifestyle. How we wear, how we sit, how we talk to other people is our lifestyle. Entertainment and dress lifestyle is expressed in an activities, attitudes, interest, opinion, and values. It also reflects personal self-image or a self-concept as they see themselves and how they are seen by others. Importance of healthy and positive lifestyle: increase longevity, increase our lifespan. If we are healthy, a healthy lifestyle increase longevity. It slows down the aging process and helps the older person to stay strong and healthy. Increase energy level. A healthy lifestyle also enhance the immunity system and contribute to a longer lifespan. A healthy lifestyle reduce the risk of many diseases like cardiovascular disease and lungs disease, helps in reducing depression. It is very important. If we follow the positive lifestyle, it may reduce depression or tension or anxiety. A healthy lifestyles help in reducing tension, helps in accomplishing a healthy body, which in turn elevates hormone level in body, which regulates the mood. These hormones help in reducing depression, increase the level of physical fitness. A healthy lifestyle increase the level of physical fitness. Physical fitness help in better coordination of muscles and increase in strength, flexibility, and endurance. Because we involve ourselves in different physical activities when we are playing volleyball, we are increasing our strength, endurance, along with flexibility. Improve posture. We had also came to know about physical fitness is very important in improving posture. Posture. A healthy lifestyle improves the posture, physical appearance. We had just came to know about what is posture, how we should sit, and how we should stand, and what are the importance of good posture. Helps in preventing cardiovascular disease. A healthy lifestyle helps in preventing cardiovascular disease. It helps in reducing the extra body fat and strength the heart. resulting in more blood and oxygen flow throughout the body. To conclude, it can be said that healthy lifestyle is very important for all of us because it reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease, hypertension, high cholesterol, and many more. It elevates the moods and makes self-confident with result in a better quality life. If we follow healthy and positive life along with physical fitness and wellness, all these three, physical fitness, wellness, and lifestyle, is interrelated to each other. If we follow three of them, we can achieve physical fitness and we can be away from many disease, and we can morale our positive way of living lifestyle very high. Components of physical fitness: strength is one of the important components of physical fitness. What is strength? Strength is the ability of our muscles to overcome resistance. It is a major component of physical fitness. Strength can also be defined as the amount of force or a muscles group can exert. A certain level of strength is also essential for a common person, while for a sports person to have strength is a paramount importance. And the best example in physical activity related to strength is weightlifting. Various sports may require less amount of strength while others require much more strength. In the same way, sports or vacations require different types of strength. Further, we divide into two parts: dynamic and static strength. Dynamic strength and static strength. Dynamic strength can be isotonic strength because it is related to movements. As you know, students, physical activity is related to movements. We had came to know motor development, that is related to movement. In push-ups and pull-ups, we require dynamic strength because why we need? Because continuously we are doing going down and pushing up. While doing such workouts, there are diminishing tendency in dynamic strength. As a result, after some times, muscles refuse to do work. At this juncture, person is not able to do even one extra pull-up or push-ups. Movements are clearly visible when someone uses dynamic strength. Such sports movement appears in different forms. Generally, dynamic strength can be divided again into, that is, maximum, three: maximum, explosive, and strength endurance. It can be divided into three: maximum, explosive, and strength endurance. Dynamic strength can be divided into three parts: A, maximum, explosive, strength endurance. Maximum strength maximum strength. It is the ability to act against maximum resistance, maximum strength. It is only used in majority of sports, those sports in which very heavy resistance have to be tackled. For example, weightlifting, you had seen when a weightlifter is lifting a weight, it is just for a short time, but the weight is very heavy. Maximum resistance. You are working or the muscles are working in a maximum strength to a maximum resistance. And one more example is hammer throw and discus throw. It all requires maximum strength for a very short period. You cannot hold students a weight for a long time. Roman rings in gymnastics, starting and accelerating phase in sprinting events, take off in a long jump, high jump, triple jump, and in pole vault. In such sports, maximum strength is really very important, and maximum strength is for very short time. Explosive strength. Explosive strength can be defined as the ability to overcome resistance with high speed. It is a combination of strength and speed. Explosive, as we know, the word itself holds a meaning, is generally used in sprints, start and discus throw, long jump. These are the various games related to explosive strength, that is under dynamic strength and related to the strength capacity of an player. We are talking here strength capacity of a player with the example related to our athletic ground, long jump and high jump, athletic events that are weightlifting, hammer throwing, and many more.